Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cupcake cookies using an easy method. We'll start by gathering common baking ingredients, then quickly prepare a versatile cookie dough. This simple approach ensures your treats are ready without fuss. You'll be amazed at how straightforward it is to create these delightful mini desserts, perfect for any occasion or a sweet craving. Once your cupcake cookies are shaped, they'll bake quickly in the oven, usually taking around 10 minutes until they're perfectly golden. It's crucial to let them cool entirely before moving on to the fun part, decorating. We'll then pipe on a swirl of frosting, making each cookie look just like a tiny, adorable cupcake. Get ready to unleash your inner pastry artist. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying these easy baking tips, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And on another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener to keep your ride smelling amazing. You can find the link for that, along with other great deals, in the description box below. Now, let's get back to the video. To complete your cupcake cookies, add a sprinkle of colorful decorations or a tiny candy on top for that extra festive touch. Once they are all beautifully decorated, arrange them on a platter, ready to impress your guests or simply enjoy yourself. If you happen to have any left over, store them in an airtight container to keep them fresh and delicious for a few days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.